All right, so I just got this Ethernet switch by Netgear, so I just want to do a quick unboxing and test this out. And so right here, here's what we get in the box. We're gonna have an installation guide, and then another guide in another language. And then right here is the power adapter and the Ethernet switch itself. So here's what it goes ahead and looks like. It's really small, so it's not gonna take up too much space down here. And this seems to be made out of a metal construction, so it seems pretty solid. We got the Netgear logo in the center, and here's what it looks like. We're gonna have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different Ethernet ports, and they're all gonna go ahead and blink green once it's actually activated. And you can see this is gonna be the GS305 model. And now on the side, there's gonna be a few vents. And on the back side, we're gonna have the power adapter and what looks like to be a Kensington lock if you wanna go ahead and lock it in place to your desk. And then here's what the bottom looks like. So if you want, you can screw this into the wall or just put it on the floor or put it on a desk. And in this case, this is actually gonna be going on the floor since I'm gonna use it for this room with this over here. This is gonna be a wireless access point. And since there's only one Ethernet switch over here and we have other computers we wanna attach directly to Ethernet, I need to get something like this. So let me go ahead and just take that off and attach it to here. And yeah, so I'll be connecting this Ethernet cable to port 1 and I'll be connecting this to the wall. Now you can go ahead and attach this directly to your router, but since this is going to the router, it doesn't really matter. This is just an extension, so it's fine. And then right here for the access point, I'll connect it right over here to port 2. And finally I have another one. I'll use this one for my laptop. And now time for the power cable. So thankfully we still have one more slot here. And now when I plug it in from the back, here it should light up green, so it's powered on. And all right, so it's getting connection on the second one, and looks like the third one has a little bit trouble. So if this one's not, oh, I know why, because this isn't connected to my computer yet. So let me actually connect this to my laptop. All right, so I'll plug this right here. And let's see if it turns green. Yep, it turns green, so that should be working now. And let's see if I have a connection on my computer. And yeah, it looks like network is connected on my Mac, so I can go ahead and just turn off my Wi-Fi. And everything's looking all good. So this is gonna make this room a lot more accessible with Wi-Fi. And now we still have the access point, and on top of that, we still have 2 other ports on this network switch. But yeah, that's a quick look at the Netgear Ethernet switch.